Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Ranger turbocharger problems and the potential issues that may be associated with turbocharged Ford Ranger engines across certain model years. Turbocharger problems in the Ford Ranger generally relate to reduced engine performance, delayed acceleration response, unusual noises during boost, or inconsistent power delivery. Verified technical information confirms that the turbocharger is designed to increase engine efficiency and power by forcing additional air into the engine, and when its operation is disrupted, drivability can be affected. The way these problems appear can vary depending on engine type, turbo design, model year, mileage, and maintenance history. Documented information shows that potential turbocharger-related issues may include wear within turbo components, changes in boost control behavior, lubrication-related concerns affecting turbo operation, or airflow regulation inconsistencies. In some configurations, supporting systems that manage air intake and exhaust flow may influence overall turbo performance. Older generations may have different contributing factors compared to newer models that use more advanced electronically controlled turbo systems. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions depend on accurate inspection and may involve evaluating turbo operation, checking related airflow and lubrication systems, and confirming that boost control functions within expected parameters. These steps are general guidance only and are not guaranteed to resolve every situation. Overall, turbocharger-related issues in the Ford Ranger are not caused by a single universal fault and can differ across engines and model years. Understanding general system behavior can help guide awareness, but proper diagnosis remains essential. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.